Hello, lovely people, and welcome back to Accidental Adult. It is fantastic to see you here again, and today I'm gonna share with you 5 products that you should replace with white vinegar. Using white vinegar in your home is a great way to save money, use less chemicals, be more sustainable, and have less products cluttering up your space. All you need is just 1 gallon of white vinegar that I've linked below. That's probably gonna last you for like a year. So the first product to replace with white vinegar is any limescale or descaling cleaner. Eventually, we all face limescale buildup in our faucets, shower heads, irons, kettles, coffee machines, just to name a few, and it's all because of calcium and magnesium minerals in hard water. And in my experience, I found that white vinegar works really well even when the limescale is thick, like you see in a kettle, for example. And if you want to learn how to clean your kettle or iron with white vinegar, I have a video on those that I will link below. The second product to replace with white vinegar is fabric softener. I've recently learned that fabric softener is horrible for the environment, has chemicals that irritate your skin, leaves a layer of residue on your clothes, and makes them more flammable. And nobody wants that. Nobody wants to just burst into flames. So I tested out white vinegar instead, pouring just a 1/4 cup in the softener compartment, and it worked amazingly well. Everything came out really soft and, most importantly, didn't smell like vinegar. It's such an easy switch to make, I encourage you to try it. Since we're in the laundry theme, the third product to replace with white vinegar is washing machine sanitizer. Once a month, I used to use a washing machine cleaner to sanitize the washing machine, but I found that you get the same results with 2 cups of white vinegar in the detergent drawer and running it empty on the hottest cycle. And at the end of it, you will have a clean and disinfected washing machine. In general, you should be sanitizing all your appliances at least once a month, including your dishwasher. Why am I speaking like this? In today's news, sanitize your appliances. Anyways, same thing, you don't need dishwasher cleaner. White vinegar is a great disinfectant. Just place a bowl at the bottom rack of your dishwasher with 2 cups of white vinegar and run it empty on the hottest cycle. At the end of it, you will have a clean and disinfected dishwasher. The fifth and final product to replace with white vinegar is an all-purpose cleaner. Originally, I was looking for a dust repellent spray, a DIY dust repellent spray, and came across this mix of white vinegar, water, dish soap, and olive oil. I know, it sounds weird. Dust, eventually builds up again, but I discovered that this mix leaves my surfaces looking so fresh and shiny, and I think it's because of the olive oil. It's also important to note that you can't use vinegar on every surface because it is really acidic and does damage some surfaces like these. Yes, your house will smell like a salad, but it's just for 10 minutes and you can air out the place and you'll be fine. It's okay. It's worth it. Trust me. Just do it. I also especially love using this mix to wipe my son's toys and play mats because it's non-toxic and I don't want to expose him to unnecessary chemicals. White vinegar is my best friend. It can be your best friend, is my bestie. And my bestie can be your bestie because it's such an easy and versatile switch to make in your homes, and I really encourage you to give it a try. Don't mix it with bleach because it can kill you. And that is all I have for you today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit that like button if you did. Subscribe if you aren't already. Thank you so much for watching, and a special thank you to all the Patreons that support me and this channel. And I'll see you next time. My bestie and your bestie sitting by the fire. Is white vinegar flammable? Vinegar flammable. It is not flammable. But you really shouldn't mix it with bleach. Is it poison? Is white vinegar bad when you mix with bleach? Yes, it can kill you. It can literally kill you. You could die. So don't mix it with bleach. You shouldn't be mixing bleach with anything except water in general. Just, safety tip for any curious people.